Hello. Have you ever invested in your team members and you felt it was a complete waste of time and money? I'm a trainer and a coach, and of course I know that training and coaching works, but I can give you 3 powerful reasons when it won't result in sustainable improvements. Number 1, what does success look like? If you send your team members to coaching or training, or even when you go yourself, and you are not clear what results you expect, how do you and your team members know when you or them make progress? Number 2, why is mindset important? People are not broken and they don't need to be fixed. They have more internal resources available than you ever think possible. In NLP language, we say that people are not their behavior. Accept people for who they are and help them to build their confidence and improve their behavior. We all have shortcomings to overcome. Number 3, how does sincere and continuous follow-up help building rapport? People have to know that you have a sincere interest in them and that you want to know in what way training or coaching is helpful for them. If you help people succeed, you will succeed. This means, as the boss, you are not off the hook. You can ask simple questions such as, how was the training? What is the most important thing you have learned? What are you committed on implementing? What do you need from me to help you to get better at what you do? Here's a bonus tip. It's a given that not too many people embrace change easily. And if you say it's hard, it will be hard. Thinking that change is hard is a limiting belief. If you keep making that statement, it will become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Remember, it's all about how you think and speak. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.